What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ben, aka Business with Ben. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna keep it smooth today. I'm gonna go over the basics of affiliate marketing for beginners. So pretty much just the key stuff you need to know to go ahead and just get started. Everything from the traffic sources, everything from the business model, and of course the programs you can get started with. So without further ado, let's go ahead, hop into my laptop. See you there. Alright, y'all, welcome to the laptop. Y'all already know where it be at, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I'm going to be going over the basics for affiliate marketing, especially if you're a beginner. Now, this right here won't be any in-depth sort of information. This is just going to be pretty much the key basics and the stuff that you need to know. And I will be turning this into a PDF, so you'll be able to download it and just look over and just see what all you're going to need, what programs you can start, and pretty much what the model is pretty much about. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So, F5, F5, work, alright, you want to work, alright, we're going to do this the manual way. Alright, so this is how the business model works. You're going to run either free traffic or paid traffic, whatever it is that you decide to use, which in general you should use both, but we're going to get into that a little bit later. But free paid traffic, you're going to use that to run that into a landing page, an opt-in, or a sales funnel. Now, for those who don't know what a landing page is, it's a one-stop page that pretty much gives you some topic. Like, for example, you might come across a landing page that says how to make $1,000 in the next 30 days or something like that. You know what I'm saying? And pretty much on that page, it's gonna have a little opt-in, little thing where you can type in, and from there you're gonna put in your email, and they send you the information. So that's what a landing page is. Now, of course, I have to little divert because when I said they're gonna send you something, they're either gonna send you a free PDF, a video, or training, webinar, ebook. It doesn't matter, because people, you have to understand that when you're asking for someone's email, you have to offer them something. No one's just gonna give you your email, or no one's gonna give them their email to you if you don't offer nothing. No one gives their stuff out to strangers. So offer them a free piece of content, valuable content they can use, and trust me, they will give you their email quickly without questions asked. And so on the cool, some people just do it just so out of curiosity of what you're talking about. So, of course, do that. Now, there's two ways you can go about this. You can either send them straight to the product or service, or you can create a bridge page. Now, what a bridge page is that page you have between your sales funnel and your actual service, and that page right there is solely for describing what the product or service is about in a brief description, or it's testimonials or whatever it is that you want it to be, but you're pretty much describing the product or service before you send the potential customer, or of course the potential lead, to the actual service or product, wherever it is. So you can go one or two ways. You either do the bridge page, or you can just send them straight to. I recommend doing the bridge page if you want a higher chance of getting a sale off the front end. In general, you really should be paying attention to your back end, but like I said, for pros who are watching that, I know I'm saying a lot, but you know, you're gonna learn all of this stuff the deeper you go into it. So I'm just saying like terms right now, but I'm gonna keep it as simple as possible. Worry about your back end, not your front end. But if you want more front end sales, like for someone to go all the way through the funnel and actually purchase off the back, create a bridge page. It'll give you a higher percentage of having that happen, because okay, what they see is, okay, I actually saw the product, I seen the testimonials, I'm gonna go ahead and invest in this to have the money. But of course, if people already know what the product or service is, or you just really don't feel like creating that extra, you don't feel like you're going to extra steps, send them to the product or service. I mean, either way it goes, they got their free book, PDF, ebook, video, whatever it is. So they're good at the end of the day. So you just go ahead and send them there. But either way it goes, this is the basic of how affiliate marketing works. Have traffic, send it to a funnel, offer them something free, send them to the product. Simple. Now, requirements. What do I need to get started with affiliate marketing? Well, you don't need really anything except for a laptop, phone, and internet connection. Simple. You don't need a college degree to do this. You don't need to have some marketing skills behind you. You don't need to have none of that. All right? Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this model. It really is beginner friendly, because all you're doing in a nutshell is just promoting someone else's product. And when a customer buys that product from your affiliate link, you get a commission. So it's just learning really how to generate leads. That's pretty much all you're doing. But these are requirements right here: a laptop or a phone or internet connection. Most of us have that. You know what I'm saying? If you don't have that, we'll go to a library or wherever that has a computer, and just get on a computer and just utilize it for like an hour. You know, anybody can do this. So Now that I showed you the requirements and the basic model of it, let me go ahead and just point out 3 affiliate programs that I believe you can start off with. Now, of course, if you got the money like that already, and you know what I'm saying, you have some budget to actually invest in this, I say start off with ClickFunnels just because they have two different types of subscriptions. One's $97 a month, the other one's $297 a month. But of course, the higher subscription obviously comes more commissions. But I definitely recommend doing ClickFunnels just because, like I said, it's beginner friendly. You can definitely use it. You can utilize it. You can learn a lot of information on how to build landing pages, and you can even just promote them as well, because a lot of people, like I said, do affiliate marketing, and they're one of the people that also handle emails as well. There's a lot of stuff they can handle. So ClickFunnels is one. Legendary Marketer, this is the one that I personally use. Legendary Marketer is like a one-stop shop for your affiliate marketing, digital marketing, coaching, consulting, and mastermind training. You know what I'm saying? Like, Legendary Marketer has a lot to offer. You know what I'm saying? Right now they're doing this thing to where they will train you for 15 days. It's called the 15-day business challenge, where you're gonna go through courses, videos. You're gonna have a coach, a live coach, who will actually help you out, build your business plan. So you either utilize it in your own business, or you can promote their own products. But it's free and it's for 15 days. So I feel so anybody who doesn't really have the budget up front, start off with them, you know, and get that rolling, get that going. And of course, Amazon. Everyone knows what Amazon is. Amazon, the also benefit with Amazon's affiliate program is free as well. Like, you can start that right now. Like, after this, you can start that right now. You know, only downside with Amazon is that I believe their commissions, I think the highest percent is like 10%. So you won't be getting much, but you know, the more that product sells, slowly but surely, your money will come up. But also, like I said, Amazon is also beginner friendly as well. So definitely check them out as well. So these are the top 3 I recommend that you start off with. All right, now budget. Now here's another thing I like about affiliate marketing and why it's such an easy and also like just perfect business model to start off with, because you can literally start this business model off with $0, like zero. You can start this off with no type of money at all. Now, of course, it helps greatly if you already have a budget behind you. It helps greatly and honestly makes the process a lot quicker. But if you're not really working with any type of money, you can start this off for free. There's free traffic sources you can utilize to give you that traffic. I'm gonna go into that in the next slide. But yeah, with the budget, you don't have to have a lot to start. You know what I'm saying? Unlike e-com, like Shopify drop shipping, or even with Amazon FBA that costs like thousands of dollars to start up. This right here, you can really have, I say, $150 to $200, and you be straight right there. But even if you don't have any money up front, that will mean you will have to work a little bit extra harder from the beginning, but it's doable. You can actually do it. So the budget's pretty smooth as well. Now, traffic sources. Now, for those who don't know what leads are, or pretty much how to run traffic, or let me go ahead and explain to you what that is. So traffic or leads is pretty much, it's just a term for you. This is, if you're watching this video, you're considered traffic. You're actually watching my video. Let's take it from an actual, like, literal standpoint. So imagine a business, like a store or a restaurant. People come in, that's traffic. If no traffic goes inside that business does not make any money that day. So with that being said, you are the traffic. The people you send will be traffic. And there's many traffic sources you can utilize, like Facebook ads, solo ads, Google AdWords, Instagram, YouTube, blogging, Facebook groups, which not a lot of people talk about, and Twitter, which also, again, not a lot of people talk about. Now, of course, if you're starting off with no type of money at all, I recommend focusing on blogging and YouTube. Blogging, as long as you stay consistent, can easily gain you some free traffic, but you have to be consistent. Like, at least drop 3 to 4 blogs a week, you know. But that's what I do. I'll be blogging, I also do YouTube. So blogging and YouTube are 2, you know, ways you can generate some income, not income. Sorry, traffic. Sorry, I just got off of work, so I'm trying to get my brain working. But anyway, my personal opinion, blogging has a quicker return on investment than YouTube, because YouTube, it does take a while before you actually hit their algorithm. But those are 2 I recommend. Everything else, like Facebook ads, solo ads, are their main 2. Facebook ads, I really recommend you use after you've built your business up, because if you start off with Facebook ads, especially if you don't have really any internet marketing experience just in general, you're going to be spending a lot of money, and you're probably going to have a lot of headaches trying to deal with them, and with Google AdWords as well. So I recommend really to use solo ads when you first get started. I recommend that. But also, like I said, it also depends on what you're promoting. Like if you're promoting a service such as Legendary Marketer or whatever, use solo ads because you'll build your email list up quickly. With Facebook ads, it's more for scaling. So after you build that certain amount of money and after you build that certain amount of like people, then you scale it up. Same with Google AdWords, same with Instagram. You know, I really recommend that with scaling. With Instagram, you can post pictures and whatnot. You can gain free traffic off of that as well. So you either use Instagram ads or you can actually utilize Instagram as a free source of income. You try to be doing a lot of posting, but it's cool. Facebook groups. Like I said, not a lot of people really talk about Facebook groups, but this also works as well because with Facebook groups, as long as you follow their rules and as long as you don't be spamming, you know what I'm saying? Because that like does get annoying. And you, like I said, you follow their rules. You can post your affiliate offers and like make money groups or something like that, or like online work jobs. You know what I'm saying? Facebook groups, but they have a lot of them. They have a whole bunch of them. So just add yourself to those Facebook groups, follow the rules, make sure you're within guidelines. Go with that. Same with Twitter. Twitter is really one of those untapped marketing places where not a lot of people really utilize, but use Twitter because, like I said, not that many people are really taking advantage of it, and there's millions of people on Twitter. So hey, that's a new haven. That's a haven right there you can utilize. So that's traffic sources. Definitely use that. And by the way, and before I even go to the next slide, for those who don't even know what an email list is, pretty much what you'll be doing, and it's going to be your money maker in the future. But going back up to the affiliate diagram, which I should have added on in there, but I just wasn't thinking at the time. With your email list, that's going to be your big money maker. That's what you're going to keep building and building and building and building and building, so you can have lifelong audience and you can have a lifelong way of income. So definitely recommend that when you're doing this, that you pay attention to your email list, because at the beginning, that's all that's really going to be happening. You're just going to be building your leads up, you're going to be building in your opt-ins, your email list, and the money really won't be flowing in like crazy unless, like I say, you have a big budget up front. But either way that goes, like it's a lot that goes into this. But these are just the basics. These are just the basics that you need to know. All right. Now, how long will it take? Honestly, if you want my honest opinion, do not worry about the time. With anything, it's gonna take time. This is affiliate marketing. Is not like a get rich quick scheme. It's not like overnight success. Nothing is ever like that. If it is, it's the devil. Don't trust it. Stay consistent and focus on creating value, and the sales will come. Simple as that. The more value you create, the more money will come your way. If people are actually learning from you, if people are actually taking what you're teaching, applying it, and actually like seeing results, then you'll be at such a higher standpoint, because now you have testimonials, now you'll have an audience, and with that comes the money. So don't worry about how long it's going to take. Commit yourself. 6 months to a year. Just commit yourself and stay consistent. I cannot stress that enough. Stay consistent. You stay consistent in this business model, you will have success. Now, some people will have success quicker than others. You may have some people that have success after a month to 3 months, some 4 to 6, some a year to 2 years, who knows? Like I said, it depends on how bad do you want it and how bad are you willing to actually focus on this. So, like I said, people, that's pretty much, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the basics of it. Like I said, I'll have a PDF in the link in the description, so you can see this and go through it and whatnot. And you also, the links are clickable, so you can definitely click those links and definitely see those affiliate offers that I was talking about that you can definitely check out and jump into, the trusted ones. But other than that, that's all I got to say, and I hope y'all have a nice day. I hope y'all enjoy y'all Tuesday. And for all my beginning marketers, hey man, good luck. Good luck. You'll do great as long as you stay consistent, as long as you put in the work. Peace out, y'all.